Alright guys, VZ 3.6 Camshaft Actuator. Oil seal's leaking, you can see it leaking there. Went on YouTube, saw nothing on it, so we just put one up so you don't have to worry about damaging anything. Pretty easy to come out. Connection's hard.
Yep.
There you go. It's only held on by a 10mm bolt. You can see it there missing. Alright. Keep in mind that is a solenoid in there, so obviously it agitates in and out. So try not to damage it. All you want to do is just hold it and prise it out a little bit, give it a bit of a wiggle. And should just pull straight out. That's all it is. See there, it's a bit of gunk on it on the end there, but nothing serious. Oil's nice and clean. It's as simple as that.